The Groups section is where you can view and create new groupings of devices. Here, you can see a few groups that we have set up for Mood Cafe. We currently have some devices grouped by location, products they sell, or all music zones. Let's set up a group for our devices that are running a sale on t-shirts. Click Add Group. Let's name it Shirt Sale. We only use standard audio, so we'll leave that and optionally fill in a description of the group. Then click Submit. Now, let's add the devices and zones for the stores that are running the sale. Click Save, and we're done. To go back and add a device to a pre-existing group, open the group and click on the Excluded or All tab and select the devices that you want to add and click Save. Use the Devices tab to manage each device zone individually. From here, you can view and modify which group a particular device zone is a member of. Once you are done editing, be sure and click on Publish Changes to push the new schedule out to your devices.